Got a new device and not sure how to make the switch from Android to iPhone? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to transfer everything from your Android to your new iPhone. Now let's get started. To begin transferring all your data from Android to iPhone, start by downloading the Move to iOS app on your Android. You can download it for free from the App Store. Agree to the terms and conditions. Then tap Continue. Then begin setting up your new iPhone. If you've already set up your iPhone, you'll need to reset it in order to transfer your Android data. When you get to the Transfer Your Apps and Data page, select From Android. Then tap Continue. A code will appear on your iPhone screen. On your Android, open the Move to iOS app. Tap Continue with Wi-Fi. Select your iPhone. Tap Continue. Then enter the code that's displayed on your iPhone screen. Now choose the data you want to transfer. You can use this tool to transfer your messages, contacts, calendar, photos, apps, and more. Ensure each type of data that you want to transfer to your new iPhone is selected. If prompted to allow the app to access your data, tap Allow. Then tap Continue. Now just wait for the transfer to complete. This can take a while to finish, and the more data you're transferring, the longer it may take. When your iPhone shows that the transfer is complete, tap Done on your Android screen. Then tap Continue on your iPhone. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete setting up your iPhone. If prompted, tap Add Apps to download all the free apps you had on your Android onto your new iPhone. That's all it takes to transfer everything from your Android device to an iPhone. For more helpful tips and tricks to help you get started using your new iPhone, check out our full playlist of iPhone tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.